There is one secret that will double the life of your injector and no one else is talking about. Watch till the end and you too will know this secret. Denso injector. Inspecting the microfilter inside. Lots of contamination. Wash it out. Put it under camera. Metal and sand contamination. This filter is located at the high pressure port of Denso injector. Let's take it out. If we put it on the microscopic camera, we will see lots of the micro holes are blocked. The silver holes are blocked by metal shaving while the black holes are good. This is what a new filter looks like. All the holes are not blocked. Replacing this internal filter before it's too late can significantly improve your injector life. Thanks for watching. This is Tony and I will see you next time. For business inquiry or parts information, please add my WhatsApp and get notified when parts and tools become available.